Pirates lived by a code, a set of rules that kept their chaotic lives in check. They formed piracy contracts to outline rights and duties, ensuring everyone knew how loot would be shared. Trust was key in selecting a captain who led with authority and made crucial decisions. Loot, often gold or supplies, was divided fairly among the crew. Discipline was strict. Disobeying the captain could lead to severe punishments, even death. While some pirates were ruthless, others showed hospitality, helping their fellow crew members. Secrecy and loyalty were paramount. Betrayal was met with harsh consequences. This code shaped their lives on the high seas, allowing them to thrive in a world of danger and adventure.